Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna see about type safety. It's really important for navigation, and I think we can use this for navigation 3 too, and we're gonna refactor this to navigation 3, keep tuned, and let's get started. Here we have this old navigation here, and for us to use type safety, what you're gonna do, you're gonna create objects and not strings anymore to see which screen we are called here, or which wrote in this case. The first thing we need to do is go to our lib.versions. Let's go to the libs one versions here, and here we're gonna add two new things here. The first one is a new plugin. We're gonna add the Kotlin serialization here like this, and we're gonna add the library Kotlin serialization 2. Let me just hide this for you. If you want to copy this, feel free, and I'm letting the files links below. You can just copy and paste from there if you don't want to type this. It's really quick, and I'm letting in the description a link for the official documentation about type safety and navigation. You can take a read of this, and if you want to help me, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much, and let's keep going here. Now that we declared this here, we can just go to our build gradle here, and we can say alias here. Alias libs plugins Kotlin serialization like this, and we can say here in the compose implementation libs Kotlin x serialization like this. Let's make this sync here and see if it's work. Kotlin x Kotlin serialization. Let's just wait this importing happen and we can continue. You can see everything's working fine here, and now we have our serialization annotation available for what you're gonna do here. We are going to create objects here. Let's create the object here. Let's call this splash road like this, and this is the way we're gonna identify our screens or our composables. For now here we can just annotate this with serializable like this, and now we can just pass here for example for the composable road. We can pass the type here for a splash road. So you can see now our start destination is this object, and why type safety here. Let's create the signing hold here and let's use this. You can see how we can pass arguments for this in a safe way, because the old way is really give much work and human errors, and I won't even show you how this was made before because it's not the case here, and I don't think you need to know. Just start this way and we're gonna starting really fine. Let's a new serializable here, and here we can create a data class, for example, a data class. Let's call this sign up hold like this, and let's pass this email password here. Now in the signing hold here we can just pass the type about signing hold like this. So how can you call this new screen here? We can just get the navigation, of course, but let's call this launch effect here. We can call this launch effect, and we can pass a unit for this don't complain anymore. And inside here we can pass, let's put a delay here, 2 seconds should be fine, 2 seconds. And here we can just call our controller, navigate, and we can pass a hold, but not this one. You can get rid of this. Let's just get this visible here, and let's sign up hold here. Sign up road like this. Just we can start using the everything new here, and we don't have these errors anymore. And here now we have to pass our signing data class road like this. What you're gonna do here now, we can literally pass here our email and our password. We can do this, and let's pass this. My email will be johntest.com and my password will be 123456. We can do this way. Now when we navigate, we pass in these arguments here, and we can just get these arguments here in a simple really way. Let's just create a variable here. Let's call signing road like this. You can get this way, but exists a really simpler way to get everything here. I think the right way to do this, you can just pass each, you can say to road, And you can pass the type root here for Earth is the signing root like this, and you have access to everything inside your data class like this. Let's just pass a texture so you can see the screen. Let's import this. It's a composable, and the screen actually you can pass everything here. Sending email and sending root. Let's just say email here. You can see, and here you can see the password like this. Now if you run our app, after 2 seconds we gonna navigate through our signing route that is this composable here, and we're gonna see our text. Let's see if everything is working here. Let's wait a minute. It's launching on the device. Let's see. Here we go. Let's wait 2 seconds after this screen appears, and there it is. You have our email here. Test. I wrote this wrong. Let's put test here, and we have our password. You can see this is a really safe way and a really simple way, having simpler and clear that using strings, using routes the way we did before. I hope you like this class. We're gonna get rid of a lot of these things here. Let's just get rid of this. Let's get rid of these things. Inside here we can get rid of these two, and we can turn this in the object, and we don't need this. Let's clean this too, optimize imports, and we should be fine. Now we have this object here, and I think this is everything you need to know. Actually, you're gonna learn a few tricks here, but let's keep this for when we in fact using things here. Let's not overcomplicate this. Let's keep with the course. We're gonna pass view models here. You can see how we can do this kind of things, how we can really navigate for our really app here. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, leave a like for me, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.